TV.
Thank you, Dolly, for that report. Meanwhile, More University's Innovation and Technology Hub, More Technologies, has offered to assemble devices that can be used by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, in the upcoming general elections. The facility in Eldoret is currently assembling laptops and computers for all Jitume ICT hubs across the country. According to Joel Mosonik, one of the officials at the More Technologies, they have over the years assembled devices that several government agencies have used. More Technologies has also assembled devices used during the 2019 census. Officials say all the devices previously assembled have worked perfectly and that they have the capacity to assemble data collection and devices for IEBC.
In the year 2019, we produced devices that were meant to be used during the census period. And we pride ourselves in the sense that those devices that were produced here, none of them failed during the season. So with IEBC, should they require devices that will be used to capture data, we are ready, we have the skills, and we have the experience to be able to produce those kinds of devices. So what we only need to do is to be able to engage, to begin engaging, because we still have about enough period between now and the electioneering period, so that if they come pay us a visit, see the kind of facility that we have, see the quality of staff and the equipment that we have. And by my own experience, now that I've been here for quite a long time, and I know the kind of personnel that we have, the type of equipment that we have the capacity and the capability to be able to produce devices that will be required by IEBC to conduct their processes.